Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make Longganisa Fried Rice. And here are the ingredients. 6 ounces of longanisa, uncooked and removed from the casing. 4 cups of cooked rice that is chilled. 3 large cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 eggs beaten. 1 cup of frozen peas and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a nonstick pan set to medium-high heat. Add the garlic and fry until golden brown. Now remove the garlic from the pan. Now add the longanisa and fry until the meat is cooked all the way through, about 5 to 7 minutes. Now add the rice to the pan and then add the garlic. Hold until all ingredients are mixed well. Now add the soy sauce and cook for 1 minute. Now add the peas and cook for another minute. Now slide the rice away from the center of the pan. Then add the beaten eggs to the center of the pan. Now carefully slide the egg from side to side until the eggs are almost fully cooked. Now mix the egg into the fried rice and then transfer to a serving bowl. So there you have it, my recipe for Longganisa fried rice. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.